Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the grain comments. Market prices are lower overnight. I think on Friday a lot of people were scratching their head as to why we had such a big explosion price in July meal and July beans. A lot of theories out there. Some people think that there might be some Far East customers that were short going into this harvest in South America, and they may have to have covered shorts. Open interest in July meal actually dropped a little bit from Friday. Other people think that the speculators may be pushing the market into commercial stops because of the expectations of lower South American crops. And other people might even be thinking that we're seeing a little bit more demand, maybe a little bit of panic buying by the European meal users. Not a lot of data out overnight. We saw the Chinese vegetable oil, palm and soybean oil prices sharply lower. We also saw that most financial markets and most commodity markets are lower overnight. So there might be some profit taking from the April rallies that we saw to date, and that could mean money flow goes to the sidelines until it knows more about what the Fed does, the Chinese economy, and U.S. weather. As far as U.S. weather is concerned, if I'm a corn plant, it's pretty ideal. It's going to be 80s this week. Later in the week, rains will move across the Midwest. Nothing heavy, but it'll soak the ground for the summer. As far as the cattle on feed report on Friday, placements were up higher than expected at 107. Could see a little weakness in those markets today. We expect that exports will be on the low side, maybe around 5 million on the beans, 37, 38 million on the corn, and wheat 11 to 14. I think the key to the bean market, and maybe all markets, will be, do end users step up on any break and decide to buy it? The Chinese have a lot of beans to price in the futures market for their import demand. Corn planting almost 90% done, beans 52 to 55, and the first spring wheat crop rating should be 70 to 72% good to excellent, which is above last year and above average. So in general, we're weaker. We expect a little bit of softer tone because of the U.S. weather, weaker outside financial markets, and maybe a little bit of profit taking after the recent rallies. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.